How to start Amazon Music. Hey everyone, welcome back. In order to start Amazon Music, you'll need to follow these steps. So make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, check your internet connection. Now to begin with, first of all, you need to start by creating an Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, then you'll need to create one. In my case, I've already created my Amazon account. So all you need to do is open up your Amazon application and then click on the sign up button and follow the on-screen prompt. After you've created your Amazon account, this is going to take you to the Amazon page, and this is how it's going to look like. Right over here, you need to click on a tab bar icon located right at the bottom. Once you're logged into your account, you'll need to click on account list in the top right corner, then select create your account. So after you've created your account and logged into your account, now Amazon Music offers different subscription types, so including Amazon Prime Music, Amazon Unlimited. Depending on the type of Amazon account that you have, you may already have access to Prime Music, but if you want to access to a larger music library, consider subscribing to Amazon Music Unlimited. So you can subscribe through Amazon Web or app. So basically what you need to do is you need to download the Amazon Music app. Now if you're planning to use Amazon Music on your mobile device, visit the device's app store and then download or install the Amazon Music app. After that, log in into your Amazon Music account with the same Amazon account. Once you're logged in, you can start exploring the vast catalog of the song, albums and playlists available on Amazon Music. You can search for the specific song, artist or genre, or browse curated playlist and recommendation. You can also create playlists if you want to do it so to create your playlist, you need to click on My Music or similar options, and you need to look for the playlist section. From there you can select the music and then add it to your playlist. If you want, you can also download it and then listen it offline. So if you have a subscription that allows offline download, example Amazon Music Unlimited, you can download songs and albums offline listening. Simply find the music you want to download and look for the download option. So this is how you can get started with Amazon Music. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further worries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.